Brilliantorg Math and Science Learning Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people think mastering math and science online is dry and tedious, but the surprising truth is that Brilliantorg makes learning engaging, interactive, and accessible for students and lifelong learners alike. Brilliant offers an annual subscription at $99 per month when billed monthly, or $88 annually. This plan gives unlimited access to courses in math, science, and computer science, with interactive problem-solving exercises that focus on logic and critical thinking. Unlike traditional lectures, Brilliant emphasizes learning by doing, helping users develop intuition rather than memorizing formulas. For example, a high school student struggling with algebra can work through puzzles and challenges that apply algebraic concepts in real-world scenarios. Similarly, someone interested in physics can experiment with interactive simulations to see concepts in action, making abstract ideas tangible. In conclusion, Brilliantorg offers strong value for those looking to strengthen problem-solving skills or gain deeper understanding of STEM subjects. Its hands-on, interactive approach keeps learning fun, effective, and applicable, making it a smart investment for curious minds of all ages.